Hello friends, let me give you a tour of Online Will. So once you log in, you reach your dashboard. Now let's start with verifiers. Verifiers are the people with whom we'll get in touch to confirm about your well-being. To assign verifiers, click on the verifiers link on the left. Once you're on the verifiers page, all you have to do is give us verified details like their name, email ID and contact number. As in this case, my first verifier is Rajesh Singh. I enter his name, enter his email ID, enter his contact number. My second verifier in this case is Vipul Agarwal, and I do the same for him. I enter his email address and contact details. These details help us contact the verifiers when the need arises. Once you're done entering verified details, just click submit and that's it. We are done saving verified details. To add a nominee, click on the nominee button on the dashboard and then click on add new nominee. Once you are on the add new nominee page, enter the nominee name, email ID, contact number and select the relationship you share with the nominee. And it's just that simple. Just click on submit and your nominee details are saved. Now that we have added verifiers and nominees, we'll show you how to create an online asset. Click on the online asset button on the dashboard and you will be taken to the assets page. As you can see here, there are different kind of assets, online assets that are possible. There are insurance policies, loans taken, house utility accounts, investments, banking assets, or your social networking assets. Now let's just add an insurance policy. You click on the add button under the insurance policies head. You will be taken to the add new online asset. There you have to give details like the policy name, the website of the product or from where you have purchased it, the account number which basically is your policy number. If there's an account associated with it, the login details of the same, and then you assign the nominee. In this case, it's Priya Singh, which we had added earlier. In the notes section, you can give other details like what's the cover value of it and who is the contact person to be contacted or any other thing which you feel is relevant here. Once these details are given, all you have to do is click on submit. Once the details are saved, you can actually go to the assets page and see that your asset is already added there. Now we'll learn how to upload video messages for your loved ones. Click on the e-video button from the dashboard and you're taken to the e-videos page. There click on upload, select the video and the video gets uploaded. Once the upload completes, the page reloads and you can see that your video has been added. Now all you have to do is select the nominee for that video at the bottom of the page and click on submit. That's it, your video has been added. Now we'll add a will letter for our loved ones. Click on the will letter button from the dashboard and then click on add new will letter. There give it a subject line, select the nominee for that particular will letter, and I'm here copy pasting some pre-written stuff which includes your message for your loved one and click on submit. That's it. Now we'll add a letter to admin. Click on letter to admin from the menu or the button on the dashboard, then click on add letter. Here you give an appropriate subject to the letter, and the letter we can give instructions to the admin that needs to be followed if the need arises. So we just give a message to admin and give our instructions that we want him to follow, and then click on submit and your letter is saved. That's it.